Though.
That's what he's looking for. Straighten up a little bit on that left-hander.
It's wonderfully played from Tim Seifert. Just leans on it. 4 runs.
They had catches in place, but it goes in between the two. 4 runs for New Zealand.
This is what we're chatting about. With the bounce and the angle going across the right hand every once in a while.
Up it goes. Fielders look at each other. Quinton de Kock calls for it. He has to make a long way. Can't quite get there. There was conversations with the two fielders in Brevis and de Kock as to whose catch it was. That'll be so frustrating for South Africa. Push through the gap. What a lovely stroke that is. Full of confidence. Straight down the ground.
Well, he was tentative in the first couple of balls that he faced Finn Allen. This is a wonderful strike.
This will give New Zealand so much confidence in this chase. They want to own this power play.
This is brilliantly played. It was all the first ball of the over, which was the real confidence. And this one's just as good in the execution. Into position early, changes the grip, gets into...
Keep it going. That line.
How early does it go?
Keep it going. Let me see if it is touching the pads.
But doesn't stop it clean.
Yes, it's off the back leg. I don't need ball tracking. It is way too high. I'll go back.
A new way to play Lungi Ngidi, and the skill that he has in this power play. It's 48 without loss.
It's a gutsy shot from Finn Allen. Giddy.
Well, that's magnificent hitting. The power on display here at Eden Gardens by Seifert.
South Africa missed the trick here. They should have gone for Keshav Maharaj. You had to go for something completely different. It's too...
And it'll keep going for Seifert and Allen. They are breaking the back of the chase.
Front and back foot. It's the 1-2 punch, isn't it?
Off it goes again. It'll go all the way for 6. Just throws the hands at it. And it's a flat one that goes all the way.
He's just got such impeccable balance at the crease at the moment, Finn Allen.
Nobody will catch that. It's out the middle of the back. 4 more. Throw the bat. It's the final over of the power play. And with him on the front foot, they are... That will go the distance too. Along the ground, it skims. And what an over this is. If they were dominating at the start. Too good. Make that 22. There's still a ball to go. Crazy. Shot. Hit so hard. Where is it? Over him. 50 up. But Tim Seifert just shot. That'll be 4 more. It brings up 100 for New Zealand. Helped on its way. And it'll be 4 more, easy as you like. It is all too comfortable, really. It's just been New Zealand. Bang! Out of there. They just keep coming. Fantastic by the black. Bowling him. Middle stump, pig back. The lack of celebration suggests it's too little, too late. But you never know, still 50.
12.
Shot. Oh, wow. Timing for you. New to the crease, but the run.
Through it goes. New Zealand have made the gap finding look so easy. We've seen power from New Zealand all the way through this innings. And then knock it up and hold back now. It's 137 for 1. Fielder was up in the inner ring. And in the end, with those practice pitches there, that will race away.
Yeah, not much wrong there by Keshav.
This innings has been unbelievable. He's had just 4 dot balls in the 27 balls that he's faced. And they've played that shot a lot today. Both Allen and Seifert have done it well.
He's just toying with him now, Finn Allen. Fine leg up inside the circle. Janssen back into the attack.
The boundaries are flowing so easily. And after all the chat, it doesn't matter.
Sometimes you just have to shake your head. That's huge. That is out of here.
And smoky. Here. Bit of action as well. And fetch this. It's 6 more.
Doesn't matter where you bowl to him at the moment.
And bingo! It's the fastest T20 100 in the World Cup ever for the man. Finn Allen in 100. Oh, you betcha. He's in a hurry for sure.